Yeah, thank you so much, Funkmaster Flex. MTV, happy 20th birthday. I go by the name of Fab Five Freddy. Word up, word up. So what we about to do right now is something that was a long time in making. Without the foundation of Cool Herc, Bambaataa, Grandmaster Flash, Cold Crush, Rocksteady, Fantastic, what's about to happen right now wouldn't be able to happen. Word. But you know what they said? They said, yo, Fab, we gotta come together with a little friendship ring. They gave me a little ring, baby. I said, let's put the stamp on it. And right about now, let's get ready for the hip-hop medley, y'all. Put it together.
Yeah. If you love hip-hop, put a hand in the air. I go by the name of Jam Master J, and we are DMC. For you.
When I be on the mic, yes, I do my duty, yo. While I'm in the club like we while in the studio, you don't wanna violate. Really and truly, you're my main dog, feeling Julio. Type of brother that'll slap you with the real shook, scared to death. Look at Shorty, she's under the cutie, yo. The way she shake it, make me wanna get all in the booty, yo. Top man, shit at the bag and chickens and videos. Hey, while I'm with my freak like way up in the freeze zone. Hit you with the chicken, feeling the little toes. Hot shit, got all my people the red clothes. Hey, style of my metaphors when I form, I let my flow. If you go to you messing with lyrical, play a pro. Do you really wanna party with me? Must say just what you got from me. Put all your hands where my eyes can see. Yo, shape up, one place to be. If you really wanna party with me, let me see just what you got from me. Hey yo, put all your hands where my eyes can see. Shape up, voila. Let's do it. Brooklyn, baby. Hello, everybody that's ready to get. Come on. Nada, what you wanna go dollar for dollar? My flow is hotter. It's plenty women. This is for Betty. Shall look in my eyes and tell me the style ain't ridiculous. Chickens pop the and bounce like hit it. Show up your favorite song, you can get it. Baby, don't you wanna leave tonight? Freak with me, cause we really need to be freaking off at any cost. It's on me, if you marry, get a divorce. When I hit it, some women get twisted, got them twitching. Like damn, look what I done did. I just wanna hit hit it the worst way, right after a long day, and put the on layaway. Heard me? I'm that dirty fella that gets hot and heated. Baby girl, if you want it as bad as you need it, holla!
Know you rather see me die than to see me fly. I call all the shots, rip all the spots, rock all the rocks, cop all the drops. I know you wonder now when all the ballin' stops. Player never home, gotta call me on the yacht. 10 years from now, we'll still be on top.
Yo, I thought I told you that we won't stop,
Now
man.
what you gonna do with a crew that got money much stronger than yours, and a team much stronger than yours? Follow me, this'll be your day.
We don't play, you mess around, be
on your way, cause there ain't enough time here. It ain't enough lime here for you to shine here. Deal with any women but treat John Spear. And I'm bigger than the city lights down in Times Square. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, put your hands in the air. Everybody put your hands in the air. My man B.I.G. couldn't be here tonight, but I want y'all to help him out. B.I.G.
B.I.G.